In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate your Uber deactivated account. Whether you're a driver or a rider, having your account deactivated can be frustrating, so I'll walk you through the steps to get back on the platform. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to check your email for any communications from Uber. When your account is deactivated, they usually send an email explaining the reason behind it. It's important to understand why your account was deactivated so you can address the issue directly. Common reasons might include a breach of Uber's policies, such as low ratings, safety violations, or incomplete documentation. This email often contains valuable details and instructions that might help you resolve the issue. After understanding the reason, your next step is to visit the Uber Help Center. You can do this by going to the Uber app or visiting their website on a browser. Once you're on the Help Center page, you should navigate to the specific section that deals with account deactivations. Here, you'll often find a set of frequently asked questions and solutions that may align with your situation. This self-help section can be very informative and might provide you with a quick fix. Once you're equipped with this information, it's time to reach out to Uber's support team. You can contact them directly through their help center. If you're using the app, select Account and then Help, followed by My Account and Account Settings. Then tap on Contact Support or send a message. If you're browsing on a computer, simply click on Contact Support. It's crucial to be clear and concise in your message. Explain that your account was deactivated, mention the reason outlined in your email, and provide any additional context if necessary. Also, express your willingness to resolve the issue promptly and ask for guidance on how to reinstate your account. While waiting for a response, make sure to have your documentation ready. If your account was deactivated due to missing or expired documents, gather these documents and ensure they're up to date. This might include your driver's license, insurance papers, or any other necessary identification. It's also wise to review Uber's community guidelines and standards once more. Being familiar with these rules will help you ensure any future interactions on the platform align with Uber's policies. Once you receive a response from Uber, follow their instructions carefully. They might ask for additional information, clarification, or documentation. If they have resolved the issue, your account should be reactivated shortly after. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to reactivating your Uber account. Remember, being patient and providing precise information can go a long way in getting your account reinstated. Thanks for watching, and good luck.